What's up, guys? It's your girl Karija. It's your girl Karija. Okay, stop. Okay, so today is prank time. We're gonna do a prank on Pia. And Pia's in the room right now. She's sleeping. And this is my first time doing a prank on Pia because honestly, we don't do pranks, but this is my very first prank. So I'm going to be doing the sneezing on her prank. How to do this is you get a cup of water, you get juice or anything you drink with, okay, and then you put it in my mouth. I swallowed it because I can't tell the water in my mouth. Put it in your mouth. And then you're going to do this. You're going to do this. You're going to have it like that. You're going to open your hand. So I'd rather for you to, like, if this was Pia, I'd stand back some because obviously it would get all in her face. But when you stand back some, it'll be like getting little drips on her. So that's what I'm going to do. So she is really asleep. So now she's not going to hear me. Or she's not gonna see the camera. I'm using the flashlight. See, look, now you can't see me because it's dark. But like, I'm using a flashlight for my swirlight because you cannot see me. So, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Haters, give it a thumbs down. And subscribe. So, guys, leave a comment at the bottom below. So guys, thank you for subscribing, getting a few subscribers. So yeah. Alright guys, let's go check on Pia. Like, Pia's like in that room that's back there. So we're gonna check on her and show you. So I'm gonna bring my water and the flashlight. And what I'm going to do, I'm having my juice. Okay, so look, I really want to tell y'all about this juice, right? It is the best. You need to get this juice. I got it from grocery store, so yeah, they'll be easy to get. Don't have to go to fancy places. This is, what is it? Triple melon lemonade. Real lemonade, bitch. So you see the stuff that's floating at the bottom? That's the lemonade plug. So, guys, hopefully you like this video. Ooh. So now you might see like the phone like right here. Because I don't know how I'm going to hold it, carrying it out. So, you might see the phone right there. Sorry. Okay. What I'm going to do now, we got to be kind of quiet. Because I don't want to wake Pia up, even though she's in heavy sleep, but I'm still going to be quiet. So I got my water with me. So So guys, now this is the time we have to be quiet. So what I'm going to do, since I have my water right here, I'm going to put my water down right here, so I can open the door quietly, because obviously it's going to make too much noise. So, it's here at the spot we're going to, and this is where we're going to do it at, in this room. And I'm going to set the camera up. Okay, so okay, we gotta be quiet, guys, because like she could wake up at any minute. So guys, like this video, subscribe, and everything. I got my water down. I already opened the door. I got my water down right here. And because I want to keep it down there, so I'm holding 2 phones in the water. That's not going to work. So my bad. Might as well do it. Alright. So guys, hopefully you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Alright, now we're about to go in the room. Now this is the time we gotta be quiet. Okay. Alright. Okay. I just found out a way how to hold your phone in focus. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep my water down here, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna open the door quietly. I'm gonna switch it to this hand. So how to open the door quietly? Twist it, and once you twist it, you open it. And so, guys, like we gotta be quiet because they don't wanna wake up. So, guys, we gotta be quiet. So I got my spotlight with me, so you can see. Alright, let me show you Pia. Why she down here? And here go my dog. Okay, so guys, she's right there. And guys, hopefully you like this video. I keep on saying that because of a reason. And that's why I'm so quiet. It's because she could be waking up and it's like literally waking up and it's like I'm scared. Okay, so I'm gonna set this camera up and she really need to not see the camera because if she do, it's not a good prank. I still need to get my water. So, guys, I'm gonna set the camera right here. And she gonna think the phone is just laying down on the bed, but it's really not. It's gonna be like right here. So these are the lights here. Christmas lights. I don't know why. So yeah, she's starting to wake up. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wake her up, and then I'm gonna be like, guys. I'm gonna be like, come on, let's make this YouTube video right quick. Let's go there, like that. And don't mind my hair. My hair is red and black. I braided it on the set. So, thanks. Alright, but y'all give me a compliment. Alright, I'm gonna set it like right here. I wanna set it somewhere where you could get both of my reactions. Like my reaction and her reaction. But like, you know, it's hard to set up a camera to see both people. Like, that's too small. So, I'ma put the camera. Oops. Just dropped my phone. Okay. I'ma put the camera right here. I'm gonna get this pillow. So she won't see it. It's so cold up. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna cover it because she could kind of see me in the camera. Cut her. Lift it up and then do it. See her face. Okay. Got this by the camera. I'm gonna put on the light too because it's not bright. Okay, guys. Oh. I'm about to wake her up because I want to talk to her, tell her like stuff we need to do, stuff. So let's get to it. She's gonna ask where the light coming from. I'm gonna tell her I got it on. So when we do the vlog, we're doing a lot of things this year. So hopefully we'll be ready. Here. Here. What? Okay. Wake up. Wow, look. We gotta do the video. Why the light on? Because I got the light on, so when we do the video. Girl, that light on. But I got the light on. Look. Because it's for the video when we are about to school. That just says she pricking me. No, I'm not pricking you. Well, I'd be pricking you this quick. Like, oh my god. Why? I want to get up. Girl, but you have to. It's my time. You're supposed to be partying. Like, oh. That's not bedtime. It's 8 o'clock and you talking about some patch over. I'm going to sleep too early. That's sleep. You sleeping? Okay, come on. We gotta do that. Okay, so I gotta go over. I got me some water because I'm thirsty. And so, what? I'm not up to nothing. You looking like I'm up to something. Cause I feel like you. Girl, I found you. Get some water. Girl, stop playing. Korea. Calm down. Drink the water and calm down. Girl. What? Oh. I'm so sorry. Serious. I'm so sorry. Girl, this is no. You got me messed up, bro. Oh, Jordy. Oh, I'm sorry. Go get me a towel something. Why? It's one right there. What's your dirty spit on me, girl? You got me messed up. Now shut. Oh, why would you do that? It's not funny. It's not funny. Now no, stop. Ouch. Sorry. Girl, why would you spit on me? It's just a prank. It's a prank, boy. Got the camera right here. Say hey to you. Guys, if you like this prank, leave a like in the comments. Like always. She looking salty because she knows it's a great prank. No. Yes, it was. She know it was. So, guys, leave a comment. Like I said, haters dislike this video. So, subscribe and everything. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Bye-bye.